way I kind of describe it, and it's kind of like a way to paraphrase it, is that a long time ago, the great bargain, what they call the great bargain, was struck. And the bosses got together and the employees got together and said, we got to do something so, people have access to timely and prompt health care so they can get back to work as quick as possible. So they enacted workers' compensation. And it's a body of law that's been created by the legislature. It's all statutory. So there's 42.910, there's 42.920, 42.935, 42.930, all of these different statutes that control the way that a workers' compensation is handled. You've got plenty of work to do within the code itself. And I carry around a copy of the code with me because I just can't sit there and spout it off the top of my head like some people can. Peter Levinas, that's a good dude. He can just spout them off. He's like a walking encyclopedia. I feel like I've got too much in the file cabinet to do that. But those statutes, those are going to be those are like the guidelines for how a workers' compensation is handled. Think about it like a football field, and these are the boundaries. You can't go this way, and you can't go this way. That's what the statutes give us. But it's really technical stuff to spill on somebody that drives for a living, or is a nurse, or a professional of any other kind of job. Like workers' compensation in South Carolina is not intuitive. You can't just figure it out. You really need somebody to help you do it. And time and time again, I explain to people, I know that I'm the workers' compensation lawyer. I'm the one that's supposed to tell you, you need to hire a lawyer. You need to hire me. But you can't do this effectively without somebody that knows what they're doing. So you need to get a lawyer.
Yes, and I guarantee you, a claimant's lawyer will have one interpretation of that code, and a defense lawyer will have a much different, which is why we go to court.
right now, we're living it right now. I mean, day in and day out, we have just fundamental disagreements about what the code says and what the law gives to somebody. And
That's why you need a lawyer.
You do. And
that's why you don't rely on somebody else to tell you.
Don't rely on Google. Google's not going to help you effectively work out your workers' compensation case.